Oh, just making that good old breakfast. What are you making here, Chef Pricey?
Just an egg bake.
Little bake. Little wake and bake.
Little wake and bake.
Yep. This is the double B wake and bake.
Oh,
The Barry and Bricey wakey bakey.
oh, very pricey, wakey bakey.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you like just basically prepare everything, and how do you do this whole process here?
Well, if you would have been interviewing from the start, you
You could have
seen.
seen it's eggs that are scrambled up, cheese,
Icky.
little sausage, and
Consisting of potatoes,
some potatoes.
Interesting.
eggs, random cheese.
Oh, is this the
Yeah, what is that white cheese we were eating last night?
Swiss?
The singles. Was that just white
Swiss.
American?
Swiss.
Oh, okay, so it's got a little Swiss, a little American.
It's great. We actually make a fresh one, eh?
This
Well,
is,
normally we make them at home and bring them, but this was
is
it was a late night.
No, the freshness is
I don't know if
good.
we need all this cheese, do we? Or do you want to put some more in there?
There's nothing better than a Nina Field egg bake, though.
Oh, yeah.
That's true.
I know.
We knew he was recording, Danny. You obviously didn't.